Hello to all the traders and investors, and welcome to your very own channel, Trading Guru. Today we're going to talk about tomorrow's market, that is 15th of April, in detail. So do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Here we go. The sponsor for today's video are these lovely Petron earbuds. If you plan to buy them, we are pasting the description box link to go ahead and buy this from Amazon. You will get it for 65% discount at $9.99. The markets rebounded sharply in the second half of the session after a day of steep fall to close within 1.5% of gain on April 13, that was yesterday. Today being a leave, so it's going to be a 15th of April day, which will go ahead and proceed with the remaining part of the week. This upward movement occurred due to banking and financial and auto and metal stocks, which actually saw a huge sell off on the 12th of April. The correction in IT stocks was also one of the reasons why it actually remained a little on the positive side. Sensex rallied about 660 points, or it's like 1.38% to 48,554, and Nifty climbed to about 194 points at 1.3% to 14,504, and formed a bullish candle as well as inside bar kind of pattern on a daily charts. We'll understand that into the later segment of the video. So if you talk about the video, the inside bar that we spoke about, this green candle right there. However, if you see, it is still trading below the 20 and the 50 simple moving average, which are those lines. Green is the 20 and the red is the 50. So below those levels, but if you see, it has crossed and taken support at that 100 moving average, which is not plotted here, but that's around 14,265 level and sustained above that. So that is a positive sign for the markets. Talking about important support and resistance level on Nifty, 14,343 is an important support, followed by 14,182. Talking about resistance, 14,595 and 14,690 are the important resistance level. So for me, I feel that the market is going to be between this first support and first resistance level, that is 14,350 to 14,600 tomorrow. Talking about Nifty Bank, we see important support at 31,034 and 30,297. Resistance again 32,197 and 32,622. Since there was a lockdown in Maharashtra announced for 15 days, that was a partial kind of a lockdown, curfew kind of a situation. So banking sector, it reacts to such newses, and you might see this 30,297 levels as well. So be prepared for that. Talking about important news, we'll cover this later. Okay, let's talk about this. So at the moment on your screen, what we are trying to display is the call option data. Maximum call option interest of about 24.22 lakhs contract was seen at 15,000, and that is going to be a crucial resistance for the month of April. This is followed by 14,500 strike, which holds about 13 lakh 69 contracts, and after that it is 14,800, which has accumulated about 11 lakhs 54,000 contracts. Call writing was seen at 14,900, which adds about 1.92 lakhs contract, followed by 14,800 strike, that adds about 1.15 lakhs contract. Call unwinding was seen at 14,500, which shed about 97,650 contracts, followed by 15,000 strike that shed about 93,900 contracts. Talking about the put option data, max put option interest of 35.35 lakhs contract was seen sold at 14,000 strike, which will act as a crucial support level in the April series. This is followed by 14,500 strike, which holds about 26.35 lakhs contract, followed by 14,200 strike that accumulates about 15.5 lakhs contract. Put writing was seen at 14,000 strike, which added 4.4 lakh contracts, followed by 14,500 strike that adds about 1.6 lakh contracts. Put unwinding was seen at 13,900 strike, which sheds about 3.82 lakh contracts, that's huge, followed by 13,700 strike that sheds about 1.3 lakhs contract. Talking about stocks with high delivery percentage, as you see on screen, HDFC, ICICI, GI, Hindustan Unilever, Pidilite India, Reliance, SBI Life, CUB, HDFC Bank, Kotak and LIC Housing Finance, wherein you see about 63 to 48% of delivery percentages. Talking about stocks in news, the number one stock in news that we see on the screen is Motherson Sumi. Moody Investor Service revised the company's rating outlook to stable from negative, which is going to be a very important news. With this, the BA1 corporate family rating has been given to Motherson Sumi, and this will surely be a very important point for tomorrow's market. JSW Steel, the company subsidiary JSW Steel Italy SRL, has completed the acquisition of 30.73% of equity shares of GSI Lucene, and that was in December 20. And that's again going to be a positive sign for JSW. It has been moving up, and tomorrow as the news is out, it can go ahead and show some profit bookings as well. 5 Paisa Capital, the company approved a fresh capital raise of about 250 crores through preferential issues of equity shares. So you can keep a watch on this share as well. SAIL has appointed MS Corporate Professional Capital Private Limited as a consultant for undertaking demergers, high off or transfers. So they are going to go ahead and consult them. So they are being rated good in the market, so you can expect some positives over there. UPL, the Supreme Court of Queensland in Australia, has dismissed a class action litigation against Advanta Seeds, which is a subsidiary of UPL. So that is again a positive for UPL. It was pushing itself down, so tomorrow you can expect some positive movements. That is it from our side. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. Do subscribe to our channel for more of such videos, and take care of yourself and family in this pandemic. Have a great day ahead.